Man?
Me and my company is Bird's Eye Visuals Media. We specialize in photography, droning, site surveying. We do clips for movies.
Tell us about your company.
Sky DB Productions.
Okay.
LLC, we're incorporated.
Yep.
Do construction photos for architectural, construction projects, any type of cinematography, music videos, anything you can think of. Sky DB Productions.
Got it. Lift off will be beginning soon.
Y'all see it.
Damn,
so we're gonna get the stadium in field view. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna check, make sure all our levels are right, make sure we're properly exposed, and I think we're good. So we got a good shot. Let's snap it.
As you notice, man, the Panthers, they ain't even got lines on the football field right now. COVID.
Gentlemen, Bird's Eye Visual has taken off. Sky DB Productions has taken off. Episode 2, man. We just got through rounding up our first set.